Hello everyone, welcome back to Kabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkoor Ali. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that confuses a lot of people. Where to find HSA contributions on your W-2 form. If you just got your W-2 and can't figure out where the HSA info is, don't worry. You are not alone and we are here to help. I will show you exactly where to look. HSA contributions on W-2. We have come to this article to get accurate information on exactly where HSA contributions are located on the W-2 form. This article explains all the details available on the W-2 form. As we scroll down in this article, we find a subheading, How to Find HSA Contributions on W-2 Forms. Under this subheading, it explains, you can find your HSA Health Savings Account contributions on your W-2 form in box 12, next to the code W. This box shows the total amount your employer contributed to your HSA during the year. It also includes any money you choose to put into your HSA through a payroll deduction plan, like a cafeteria plan. These contributions are not included in your taxable income, so they're reported separately. If you're checking how much was added to your HSA for tax purposes, box 12 with code W is where to look. Now look down here. Let's zoom in a bit. In this photo, you can see that in box 12 next to code W, it shows $100. This is your HSA contribution. This HSA contribution is different for every employee. So in this way, you can easily find your HSA contributions on your W-2 form.